To access AI Assistant in Outlook, open the Templafy content libraries. Note that you can pin the add-ins for future use. In the Task pane, select AI Assistant at the top right. I have meeting notes I want to transform into a good follow-up email. I can select the text and use the custom prompt where I can ask AI to make this into an email. You can ask for further suggestions if needed. When you find the option you prefer, you can copy it to the clipboard or insert it to your email. Templafy AI Assistant will always insert the output where your cursor is placed. Now you can further improve your follow-up email using the Professionalize prompt. This will help you rephrase the email to sound more neutral and professional. If you need a new prompt that's not yet available, don't forget to suggest it to your admin team. For further assistance, remember to reach out to internal IT. And there you have it, you're now ready to explore Templafy AI Assistant in your Outlook.